It may look like you're doing nothing, but trust me, you're healing, you're aligning, you're becoming. This is the slow life, and in a world that glorifies speed, this is radical. I used to think I had to go faster to get somewhere. More output, more goals, more checking boxes. But the truth is, I was moving out of fear. Fear of not being enough. Fear of being left behind. And guess what? That fear creates chaos in your body. It drains your soul. The slow life isn't about doing nothing. It's about moving from inspiration, not anxiety. The slow life isn't lazy. It's listening. It's pausing before reacting. It's trusting the moment to unfold instead of forcing your way through it. Some days it looks like doing nothing, but actually I'm letting my nervous system rest. I'm giving space for clarity to rise. I'm allowing my body to digest food, emotions, and life. I'm remembering who I am without all the noise. You don't have to rush to prove your worth. You don't have to hustle to matter. You don't have to burn out to be good enough. Here's what the slow life can look like. Making a green juice and sipping it with full presence. Lying in the sun for 10 minutes just to feel the warmth on your skin. Journaling before making a decision, so it comes from soul, not survival. Walking barefoot instead of driving, just because it feels right. Saying no to things that don't light you up, without guilt. Waking up without an alarm. Creating only when inspiration knocks. Holding space for grief, joy, stillness, whatever needs to rise. I promise you, less doesn't mean you're falling behind. It means you're rising in a new way. The slow life reconnects you to your natural rhythm. Your body heals. Your ideas come from a deeper place. You stop chasing. You start attracting. So if you're in a season of quiet, if you're resting more, creating less, tuning out the noise, don't judge it. Honor it. This is the work. This is where the real transformation happens. You are aligning. You are healing. You are remembering. Move slower, feel deeper, heal fully, live lighter. If this resonates, share with someone who's been rushing to be okay. And let me know in the comments, what does your slow life look like today? If you want to work closely with me, I offer one-on-one coaching and also a Rawlicious membership. All that's in the description box below. If you like this video, thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed, also turn on the bell notification to be notified of when the next videos are. Be, feel, and stay Rawlicious.